What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Five Below and I realized that I left out some things in my other videos. So let's go for yet another video. I still have lots of things to share with you guys, things that are brand new and things that I just can't leave out. Like these cute little bags. We have the little confetti in here. These are just $3 and they're just kind of like shaker themed. These are $3, and I wanted to look over here at some of the makeup and spa items also because I've been seeing little things kind of come in here and there. Let's see if we have any new Chap Sticks or lippies. They have the Chap Stick brand, the Lip Freak brand that I still haven't tried. They have 3 different flavors from Lip Freak. Okay, let's see if we have anything new over here. Oh, you guys, I wanted to tell you, and I don't know if they have it right now, but I tried this facial mist, but it was a pink bottle and small like this. I got this a few weeks ago and I tried it and I love it so much. It is so nice. I think it's like a neroli or something. It is really nice, you guys. So if you love facial mist, oh, here it is. If you guys love facial mist, give this one a try. This one is so nice. It smells nice. It's very sensitive. Like, it's good for sensitive skin. It says makeup friendly and it's sulfate free and paraben free. I really suggest this, you guys. It's nice and light and I'm kind of in love. And then they have these. I haven't tried these yet. These are the shower gels. The 3 different scents of the shower gels. Let's not forget about the YAA, the You Are Amazing brand. They have a lot of different products too. A 2-in-1 scrub and cleansing stick. They have some little bath oils. I've been trying this one out at home. Now, I like how it feels, but to be all the way honest, I really don't like the scent that much. But the product does feel really good, and again, it has no bad ingredients. I haven't tried any of the other flavors or scents. This little manicure set is so cute. They have some new palettes down here, you guys. The new mascara, the new eyeliner. That looks so cute. I think Birdy's kind of interested in trying that out. And they have lots of EOS over here. The medicated, the visibly soft cucumber melon. This one is coconut, I think. Strawberry sorbet. This one is tropical mango. They also have the organic ones and the crystal ones. I've never tried a crystal one before. Ooh, what's this one? Tropical Escape. This is a 2-pack. Coolin', what does that say? Coolin' Chamomile. Coolin' Chamomile. Lots of trial size stuff. They have some $2 nail polish back here that's actually $1. Ooh, I think I need a new silver. This one's just going to be $1. I love wearing silver polish on my toes in the summer. I love wearing silver and white. They still have tons and tons of the smoke and mirror makeup down here, you guys. I would highly suggest these. I really like my makeup brushes. These are just going to be $1. I really like the makeup too. They have lippies, they have mascara. If you guys want some really good $1 makeup, try some of these out. They have some face masks here. They're $1.25 or 5 for $5. I just love the packaging. These are all single use. The melon. And the cute little lip balms. I think these are all $5 each. That one is so cute. Oh, look at the unicorn. They even have a Peeps one. I don't think I saw that around Easter. And they have it in the yellow. And then you open it up and I think it looks like an EOS. These are so cute. These are $4, only $4 for the cute little storage cases. Ooh, I like the pink one. Look at that. It has a tray on the top and then the bottom is free. You guys can see the little picture there. Oh, and they have the purple. These are all just $4 each. Now they feel really nice. They don't feel like cheapy or anything. The wake up and makeup, I always look at these when I come in. But first makeup, kitty. I love the kitty one with the ears. I may not be perfect, but my makeup is, and that's sort of marbled. Really, really nice. These are $5 and they feel really sturdy and nice. They still have lots of little sets that would be perfect for birthdays. A little boy's eau de toilette and a little collectible case and like a little bracelet. Those are just $5. And then they have the LOL surprise sets, the lip balm ones. A JoJo Siwa lip balm set. Those are jumbo lip balms. They're super big. Aww. She's so cute with her little unicorn. The $3 LOL lip balms. I haven't looked at the lip balms in a long time. For some reason, I'm thinking this is new. You get 10? Yeah, 10 lip balms for $5. The official emoji brand. This is new too, you guys, by LOL Surprise for $4. 4 cute little lip balms in a little zipper pouch. And this perfume, you guys, I got last week. This is the Disney Descendants, and I think it is sold out. Yes, I'm so glad I got it last week, you guys. It smells really, really good. Look at this bottle. Look at that. I had a feeling it was going to be sold out. So if you guys see it and you're Five Below and you like how it smells, definitely grab it that first time. Oh, here's Gator's favorite, the Racing Club. Yeah, you guys, I was filming the other videos and I was like, wait a minute, I didn't do makeup. And I know you guys love to see the makeup in here, and I totally forgot makeup. Go after your dreams. This is a lip plumper set. I'm pretty sure it's new. This one might be new too. Oh, I wanted to show Birdy. Birdy, I want to show you something real quick. Come with me. You guys, I gotta show Birdy the eyeliner. Maybe we'll get it next time we come. But look. Look at the eyeliners.
Oh, yes.
I don't know, what color do you think you like the best?
Oh, the purple and green. Nice.
You like that?
Yeah.
And then these are new. And I think the colors might be different than the other set.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys the set we have. Birdy and I have this set. So I'm wondering if those colors are going to be different than these.
It looks like it.
Yeah, they definitely look different. But yeah, you guys, this one by Color Story, this is the True Nude, and I think these might be new. I'm pretty sure they are. You get 5 for $5. You guys get mad at me sometimes. You're like, don't just show me the new stuff, like show me everything. But you guys have to realize this is a really huge area and it's really hard to just show everything, and it would be pretty monotonous if I showed everything in every Five Below video. You guys would get really bored. So just hit the bell, watch my videos often, and you guys will end up seeing everything. These are pretty. Opal Lust. Ooh, I really like the purple one. Let's see if we have any new bags. This Boss Babe might be new. Most of these are crossbody. I kind of like this little cream one. It's so cute. Oh, let's look at some nails. I think these ones are new for $3. The press-on nails. The festival nail stickers. I haven't used mine yet, but I have these at home. And these are so pretty. I love that color. That is so cute with the texture on it. And the unicorns. So nice. Look at these silver ones. This might be a new color. These are definitely new. Look at these tiny little tweezers. They're so cute and tiny for $3 by the brand BC. They're mini tweezers. And I think this set is new too. This is the complete eyelash kit. I don't know what this is though. I am not sure. Okay. So we get tweezers, a lash applicator, and an eyelash curler. So these are the lash applicators. These are so cute too. Look at the tiny little files. These come with the little nail kits. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. In my last video here in Five Below for the day, I've had a lot of fun showing you guys all the new things. They have so many new things for summer, so you guys check out my Five Below playlist if you want to get kind of like more of the full picture of what they have and what's new. Because in some of my other videos I just filmed, I shared lots of new things like new clothes, new jewelry, lots of new things. You guys don't want to miss them. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.